This might sound a little controversial, but simps give insecurities. People might say that they are the reason girls get views. Simp are the reason that boost your confidence because of their obsession over you, because of how they worship you, how they hype you up on little things, how they basically treat you as goddess and all, how they basically make you feel like you are the most perfect person in this whole world. Honestly, if you notice, it works really well at first. But if you notice, a creator with a lot of simping audience falls off as quickly as she grew in the past. And जितना भी confidence उस content creator को उसके simping audience ने भर भर के दिया था, वो सारे के सारे confidence बिल्कुल dull हो जाती है. And that person turns out to be insecure. But why it happens? Why you feel insecure? At first it feels amazing. At first you feel like you're on the top of the world. But धीरे धीरे कुछ time बाद it feels really uncomfortable, because when you think that your simping audience is giving you unconditional love, and by believing that when you try to show more of your personality, you try to do something authentically, they think कि तुम कुछ new करने की try कर रहे हो, which is not new at all. You're just trying to show more of your personality, but they are just not accepting that, calling it new. That's when the insecurities start, because I realized when people simp, they do not like you for your full personality. They just like the version of you they created in their head. You are not responsible for whatever image they have created on their mind. But because of that particular image on their mind about how you should be and how you act, as a content creator, to please them, you basically start to maintain that image instead of being authentic. And one day, suppose you feel so tired maintaining that image of their head, तो तुमने decide किया कि चलो आज के दिन थोड़ा छुट्टी लेते हैं इस एक्टिंग से and let's be authentic. They start to tell you you are being an overthinker. You are being unnecessarily emotional. If accidentally you show your authentic opinion, they just won't take a second to turn on you, to hate on you. And these are the pressures that gives you insecurity. Also, simping audience जो होते हैं ना, they are so much extreme. If you tell them that you have boyfriend or share your personal life, they instantly switch as if they had a chance with you. और उनको ऐसा लगता है शायद से कि उनको boyfriend बनने का मौका मिलेगा. The instant switch, the amount of instant madness over your personal life, as if their own girlfriend cheated on them, is insane. Like आज वो तुमको goddess की तरह treat कर रहे हैं. They are worshipping you literally. And the next day, if you do not satisfy their fantasy, if you somehow basically disappoint them or their fantasy, they just switch. They just one thing how you're gonna feel. पहले कितना वो तुमको like करते थे, ये सब कुछ नहीं सोचेंगे, सीधा next option में चले जाएंगे. These instability creates anxiety of not getting likes like before, not getting views like before, not getting the validation, the praise, all these things like before, and you become insecure day by day. When these simping audience rejects you, when this simping audience leaves you alone all of a sudden, basically turns on you, you start to literally question yourself कि मैंने कुछ गलत किया क्या? क्या वो audience सही में मेरे को पसंद करते भी थे? Am I doing something wrong? Am I worth loving? सारे के सारे question तुम्हारे खुद के अंदर आ जाते हैं. This is how you build a pile of insecurities because of these simps. एक दिन तुम बहुत खूबसूरत लग रहे हो कैमरा में and they set that image of you in their mind, and दूसरे दिन अगर तुम उस तरीके से नहीं आते हो सज धज के खूबसूरत बन के उस दिन की तरह, they just simply switch. They do not think about you. They just think where they are gonna get their dopamine released. बट वहीं पे अगर कोई हेल्दी ऑडियंस होता है ना, they respect you for who you are, they accept you and your personality, they enjoy your personality, they enjoy your authenticity. हम तुझसे यही चाह रहे हैं तो तुझे यही करना पड़ेगा, तू हमारा नौकर है. They do not do this to you, they care for you. But a simping audience puts you so high कि जब तुम गिरते हो तो पूरा तहस नहस हो जाते हो. And that's why, because of having so many simping audience, you're scared to fall. And that's why, to maintain the image, to please them, you just become who you are not. Basically, sacrifice your own personality, your own authenticity because of them. जब तुमको बहुत ही ज्यादा ऊपर चढ़ाया दिया जाता है ना, उसके बाद तुम जब गिरते हो इन सिंपिंग ऑडियंस के चले जाने के बाद, वो भी बहुत ज्यादा दर्द देता है. These people do not care about your well-being. कल तुम उनके हिसाब से नहीं चलोगे, they will just find someone else, someone new that they can simp on. These people are not stable audience, and because of that, simping audience जो होते हैं, they instead of making you feel confident, they basically make performance-based confidence, जिसमें तुम खुद की पर्सनालिटी फुल नहीं दिखा सकते because they won't like or they might just want to leave. तो इसलिए तुमको परफॉर्म करना पड़ता है वैसे इंसान होने का जैसे इंसान वो तुमको अपने माइंड में सोचते हैं. And that literally shows how conditional their love is. Basically तुम उनको कुछ दोगे तो ही बदले में तुमको कुछ मिलेगा. Meaning you'll only feel secure if you satisfy them. If not, they're just gonna instantly switch. That's it. That is quite dangerous because इसके वजह से क्या होता है कि जिस दिन तुम्हारे व्यूज नहीं आते हैं, जिस दिन तुम्हारे कमेंट्स नहीं आते, लाइक्स नहीं आते, you start to lose all of your confidence. You start to feel so much anxious. You start to feel depressed, thinking कि इनके लिए मैंने अपना पर्सनालिटी तक छुपाया है, इनको जो चाहिए था मैंने सब कुछ किया है इनको देने के लिए. Still they are not liking me. Still they are leaving me alone. And because of these kind of dependency, जहाँ पे तुम खुद को अलग तरीके से दिखा रहे हो just to keep them close to you, you start to feel so much insecure and question yourself कि भाई मैं क्या करूँ कि वो मेरे पास रह जाए. And you feel so depressed because you basically sacrifice your own personality, your authenticity to feed their imagination. As a content creator, that is not freedom. When you respect someone, you do not force them to have a different personality just to feed your own mind. You do not become selfish. You respect them for who they are. But जो simping audience है ना, वो तुमको force करते हैं to have a personality they want from you, that they created in their head, so that they get satisfied. And this is so selfish. इन्हीं सिंपिंग ऑडियंस को खुश करने के चक्कर में हम क्या क्या नहीं करते. हम खुद की ऑथेंटिसिटी को सैक्रिफाइस तो कर ही देते हैं, अपनी पर्सनालिटी को भी हम पानी में डुबा देते हैं. साथ ही साथ हम खुद को ओवर एडिट करना स्टार्ट करते हैं, ओवरली ब्यूटीफुल, ओवरली परफेक्ट बनने की फुल कोशिश करते रहते हैं so that they stay. We literally stop expressing ourselves about our opinions and everything to get attention from them. And as a creator, it's really exhausting because confidence तब आता है जब तुम देखते हो कि लोग तुमको तुम्हारे पर्सनालिटी के वजह से अप्रिशिएट कर रहे हैं. अप्रिसिएशन जो होता है ना, that helps you grow within yourself with your own personality. But जब इंसान idealize करता है, they idealize you for a specific version of you or for a specific reason. तो simping audience basically traps you into staying inside of a box जहाँ पे तुमको same to same हर रोज उनके imaginary बंदी की तरह act करना है. You cannot try something new. So yeah, simping might boost your ego for some time, but for long run, simping is gonna harm your authenticity. It's just gonna create pressure by making you scared of losing attention. And that is not how you build security. Because a supportive audience will always respect you for you being imperfect and real, unlike the simps. That builds security.